Desktop icons can go missing at times because of various reasons on your Windows 10. Want to learn how to fix desktop item not showing properly on your Windows 10? I'll tell you two of the ways to fix it today. Welcome back to Tutorial Spawn. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. The very first method is to right click on the start button, click on run, enter here app data and click on OK. As you do it, click on local on the top, click on view above to watch the hidden files. As you do it, you will find hidden items here. Click on it. As you do it, all of the hidden icons on desktop will be shown from now onwards. And after this, you can scroll down and reach to the bottom to find icon cache. Right click on icon cache and then click on delete to delete all of the app cache. So now we can go back, and after using the first method, if it's still not working, the second one is to right click on the taskbar on the right corner, click on task manager, find your Windows Explorer. As you do it, click on Windows Explorer, click on restart on the bottom right corner. As you find the missing icons on your desktop, you can click on End Task on the bottom right corner and then go back. So these were two of the ways to fix desktop icons missing in Windows 10. I hope this works for you. If it has, don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.